guys, Daniel, welcome back to another Arrow reaction. It's been, what is it, 2 weeks now, and yeah, I'm sorry, I'm going to be eating this, but if you pay attention in my videos, you'll know what the date is, and we are early because fucking Chicago PD is on another hiatus. I don't know why it needs to have so many hiatus this season. So many shows have had so many hiatuses, just, but yeah, what the fuck was it, that ending with Amiko taking out the fucking Gambit? What is the Night Circle's like end game here? With what do they want? And Archer's obviously gonna fuck us up. I know Felicity wanted to do something nice, but obviously in the 2040 and shit, and I just need answers for this shit. Okay, and the promo for this one, it looks fucking cool, but I don't know what it has to the whole story arc as a whole. But yeah, Miko. And, oh no, it's Laurel. I feel like I'm saying Amiko's name wrong. It's either Miko or Imiko. I just gotta pronounce it the way I like it. Did she break his wrist? Sorry, that's fucking hard to rip that off the bloody... Who? Channel what? Oh, I like that intro. That's a cool one. Nice title card. High five on that. Am I meant to recognize this bitch? Because I don't. And I feel really bad that I don't. I'll keep my phone there too. Best place? Probably not. But it comes in handy when you have no pockets. Shouldn't she be like slightly showing now? I feel like she's like a couple months. There's like no bump. It's completely flat. Maybe. What if the Night Circle killed her mother? She's not gonna take it easy. It's Felicity. What the fuck happens to him in the future? Okay, this is a different flash forward. Because when they all together at the party and they all said shit, who the fuck is this guy? Looks like some sort of robot. Well, they are working together? It looks like a robot, it just walked like one. Well, this is just a fucked up weird man that's been brainwashed. Mia, you're gonna get someone killed. Zoe, thank you. Miko, you fucked up her up. Oh, Felicity, standing up for your girl. She's never gonna be our Laurel, but she can be... Don't know how to say it. Word it. Can never articulate myself properly. I'm sure you get what I mean. Why are we in dry cleaners? Who is this bitch? I feel like she... I always feel bad. I don't know who you are and I'm going to be very confused this entire episode if you're in it a lot. Which I feel like you are. Don't they know to hide their money somewhere else?
Of the Night Circle, the SCPD had no reason to trace back to them and to friend Laurel because Laurel told Oliver her secret. Well, it still doesn't change anything. Of course, did you? Bad. Very bad. Okay, damage is already done. It's a good chat, I really love our chat.
Well, this guy's been getting some good lines. I love it now that because he outed himself as the Green Arrow, he doesn't even bother putting on his hood anymore. He's like, nah, don't need it. I wore it for 6 years, don't need it anymore now. Okay, I'm good.
What are they doing next?
Ah! Oh my god, my brain is like going to fucking... There are so many shows to try and catch up with. I'm forgetting half these people. This is really bad. Don't hang up on Felicity. She's gonna get you. She's gonna... Ah! See? Oh, they are working together in the flash. Okay. Thank you for trying to clarify this up. There's a lot of fucking bombs though. Still not ever gonna get used to Felicity's mum haircut. She's a feisty one. Wait.
girls' nights out.
One got his throat slit, the other guy just got knocked out. Or did Laurel somehow kill him? So you still whip your ass. Sarah!
Oh, feel free to tell Laurel.
Oh. This is gonna be a good fight. Or fuck it. No, yeah, 'cause that's not gonna happen.
You didn't go back to the bunker. We always go back to the bunker.
I love that she's sneaking around saying, you didn't go back to the bunker.
I think you need to drop the blinders.
Ooh. A lot of sprays going around.
So you need this.
Really? I'd rather have whiskey than wine.
Good.
No, I think there's still some good in you. You've changed.
My way again, I'm killing myself.
No, I don't think you will.
So what now? You got
Didn't I just say that at the start of this episode?
what you came for.
What an asshole. He raised her and then... Oh, she's doing the thing. Yes! Oh, I missed this.
Well, I'm having deja vu in the best way possible.
Yeah!
I'm secretly crushing on Oliver Queen. Apparently it wasn't much of a secret. Everybody knew. Zero poker face. Never used it to you. Thank you for coming. Got it. Not invited. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Oh,
Not too belated.
this is too easy. No, it's not.
Right?
Nope, someone else.
Using my Canary backup after all.
Like you think?
It's unforgivable.
Yeah, but she has...
She's
Change.
on this.
It's her father at the moment.
Do you know why
Playing
I
with
started
fire
the
with fire.
This is a way for women to know we always have each other's backs no matter what happens.
Oh, did you start this because of...
Something I feel.
Wait, is Laurel dead?
That's why we were these. And the bravery.
Wait, is she... No, no deaths this episode. Okay, no one died.
Women, they always find a strength.
No, I'm seriously stressing right now. Was she dying? I can't lose another one. You are... Got the smutty out. Fucking... Because he manipulated her from she was fucking, what was he, 11 years old? 12? Well, what? I hope, but I don't know. She's kind of at a loose cannon. Think my package has arrived, so sister-in-law's gonna go get that for me, because alright. Oh, they're at his grave.
That's like more like your Lord.
Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry.
Nobody says. But basically, I had an affair with my sister's boyfriend. I allowed my entire family to think that I was dead.
Oh, OG shit.
Nobody trusted.
My, how far you've come, Sarah.
And then I was someone better than who I was.
Oh, oh.
Well, that's great. It's a little bit too late.
No, it's not.
Because this is who I am.
No, it's not. Laurel.
You ready?
Getting paid.
Absolutely.
Paid by who? Why? Yeah, why is there no guards? I don't like this, Laurel. Seems like a trap. What if it's just casual?
Killing people, you may as well start with me. Me too. And me.
I knew she had good in her still. Birds fly. Oh my god, what are we doing? Carefully put it down because it's gonna explode. Run. 4, 3, 2.
Can we never do that
Yeah, we are. Oh, look at them.
Something like that.
Who's that in? Mm-hmm.
It's ladies taking down ladies.
She has a lot of bubbles in hers.
Thank you for the assist.
Oh, continue. Look at it. It changed dramatically.
Very sorry. Actually,
Wait, she shouldn't even be drinking.
can't. Say what? Huh. I think I deserve 2 of these. I mean, come on, I worked really hard, so there. Cheers to me.
I said I didn't want to cry.
Sit here, but you know, maybe Earth 2 needs a black canary. You are still planning on being good, right? Planning to try. I just really hope one day I'm actually worthy of it.
Oh, fuck, they got me.
You're like, what?
Just chilling on the couch.
If you keep this up, people are gonna start asking when we keep hanging out in cemeteries.
Got a point. Oh, there's some fucking weird robot thing killing canaries. Oh my god, Mia. Girl. And that was... No, I'm out.
I've seen you before. Oh, great arrow documentary. You're a friend of your parents.
Oh my god, she did
You're
good.
lucky you got here when you did. Find this thing. To watch my back. That's what canaries do.
Oh wait, that's the helmet from that thingy.
Like her.
I just clicked. Took me the entire...
And don't screw it up.
Okay, you can, okay. Maybe end, yeah. You gonna, that was good. It got me. It got me right there. It got me at the end. I think that was good on my part. I did wait till the end and then I get... So, the little helmet thingy that... Whatever it is like a robot thingy, or was that a man? We didn't actually see the body, we just saw the helmet. And then they started their own little thingy. Who are the other people? Are these just girls that are just becoming canaries? Is this what that team is? Or group, as Dee called it. Very, oh, those girls. There wasn't much Oliver because it was so good. The girls needed that team up. I needed that team up. Didn't know I needed it until I got it. Very good, and I don't know what's happening next week. Should probably go watch that promo. I'm very keen now, and it's everything's coming together. They're finally giving me a bone that I've been asking for at the start of the season, and they're giving me the answers. But okay, I need to stop now before I start crying. So that was it for this reaction, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, tell me your thoughts on how you think that this is all going to plan out. If you like my videos and want to see more of me, go under and hit the subscribe button underneath the end slate. You know what to do to be a cheeky fucker, and I will see you Wednesday because I think PD's still on break for more Arrow. Bye!